When smartphones get too bulky, it can be a turn-off for many users. There's speculation that Apple might be gearing up to increase the screen size for its upcoming iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models, marking a change after 4 years. However, opinions are divided on whether this potential shift will be well received. Potential screen size boost. Rumors abound about Apple considering enlarging the screens of the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, a departure from recent trends. The current iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max already sport decently sized displays at 6.1 and 6.7 inches, respectively. But whispers suggest an increase to 6.3 and 6.9 inches for the new models, a change that might not sit well with everyone. Handling larger screens. However, Apple could pleasantly surprise us by scaling up the screens without making the phones cumbersome to manage. Leaked images of the iPhone 16 Pro Max hint at this possibility. Despite appearing larger in the photos, the upcoming model doesn't seem overly unwieldy. Striking a balance between size and usability. Bigger screens could lead to slightly wider, thicker, and taller phones, but Apple might leverage border reduction tech to maintain manageable overall dimensions. Based on leaked images, it seems the iPhone 16 Pro Max won't be substantially larger than its predecessor. While there's a discernible difference between the two, it's not overly dramatic. Enhancements in camera technology. A noteworthy improvement is the larger cameras compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With a larger sensor, the primary camera is poised to capture more light, potentially positioning the iPhone 16 Pro Max as one of the top camera phones of 2024. However, the increased camera module size could impact the phone's ergonomics, although the addition of a dedicated capture button is a boon for photographers. Brighter displays and AI integration. Apart from physical changes, rumors suggest the iPhone 16 Pro may feature a considerably brighter screen. Additionally, Apple is rumored to be introducing a suite of AI-powered features with iOS 18, driven by the M2 Ultra chip and cloud computing. Addressing privacy concerns. Despite advancements in AI, Apple remains steadfast in its commitment to user privacy. Reports indicate that they're working on a server project called ADC to safeguard user data, staying true to their principles. Conclusion. In summary, the iPhone 16 series holds promise with its potential upgrades in display, camera, and AI capabilities. While it may not compel current iPhone 15 users to upgrade, it could appeal to individuals with older iPhones or those purchasing their first smartphone. Stay tuned for further updates as the launch approaches. What are your thoughts on the rumored upgrades to the iPhone 16 series? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and insights on the latest tech trends.